Please.
Dad. Oh.
Don't be shy, give me the ball.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Hey, you didn't think you could do it, did you? Now we're doing a vlog.
Vlogging.
Oh, okay.
On YouTube. So
How
later.
the poor people live.
So Paul, we're eating pancit.
What? You're eating pancit? And look at the view.
What? Oh my god. Eating only pancit, not great. Caviar.
How good is it? Yeah, I couldn't get onto it.
No?
Because I don't know. I went to look at it and it's asking me all these questions and I'm thinking, huh? I don't know.
You know,
I'm a YouTuber.
YouTuber.
I'm an influencer.
I'm just saying you'll do it after once the bathroom's done. You'll get a new kitchen.
Hello. I'm on my first beer and I'm waiting patiently for the fireworks to start.
First beer.
Yes.
I find that hard to believe.
It's only to be like that. This is my podcast. I'm being
brutally honest. I find that hard to believe.
proper. You can't be doing this. Tony's, he's a bad influence. Bad influence.
I see Shiraz over here.
Yeah, but it's not open yet.
Something else over there, what's that?
Did you tell them the
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, you reckon?
The kids ones that you do, yeah?
9 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure it'll be dark enough at 9.
No, they'll do it at 10:30.
9, 10 o'clock already. So I don't think it'll be dark enough. That's it.
Yeah.
They won't do it.
Happy days.
So you want me to lose it? Is that what you're trying to say?
TikTok longer video. Please like follow.